how to find your identity confirmation on your Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your identity confirmation on Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it. Now click on your profile and scroll down until you find account setting and click on it. Now you have the first option, which is personal information. Click on it and click on the third option, which is identity confirmation. And here you have to confirm your identity on Facebook. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.